Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making delicious curried corn with Thai green curry. This is sweet, spicy, savory, full of flavor recipe that's super easy to make. The ingredients in this recipe are water, frozen corn, Thai-style green curry paste, minced garlic, ground coriander, ground cumin, kosher salt, ground black pepper, and lime juice. And that's it. And all of these ingredients you could have on hand in your freezer, in your fridge, in your pantry, so you can make it anytime. Super easy. You need a large pot. You could actually cut this recipe in half for 4 to 5 servings, but I always like leftovers, so we're going to keep it like this. In a large pot, you're going to add 1 cup of water, 10 cups of frozen corn. I've got 4, 4, and 2. Next, 1 tablespoon of Thai-style green curry paste. You can adjust this to your taste. It adds both flavor and heat, so if you don't like it so hot, start with a teaspoon and then see how you like it and adjust it from there. But I thought it tasted perfect with 1 tablespoon. Next, 1 tablespoon minced garlic. You could mince it yourself, or for a shortcut, get already minced garlic. You can adjust this to your taste too, and I love garlic. Next, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, or the salt that you like. I like kosher salt for the flavor. You can adjust that to your taste too. Also 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. This is optional, but I like it. Now I'm going to turn the heat on, stir everything around. We're going to bring the ingredients to a simmer. It might take a little bit because the corn is frozen. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on it and stir it occasionally till I see it comes to a simmer. Okay, the corn has come to a simmer. I'm going to reduce the heat. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to cover it. We're going to simmer it 8 to 10 minutes until the corn is tender and the flavors are well mixed. And I'm going to keep an eye on it, make sure that we don't run out of water. If you do, add a little more. But we'll keep it at a simmer, stir it occasionally, and we'll be back in about 8 to 10 minutes when the corn is done. See you then. The corn has been simmering about 9 minutes. I had to turn down the heat a couple times because it was getting up to a boil. It smells amazing. I'm going to just check to see if the corn is tender. I've stirred it a few times. Very good. So at this time you can try it, adjust the seasonings to your taste. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, fresh squeezed if you have it, otherwise use bottled. So 2 tablespoons. Stir that in. Time to try it. I'm going to let it cool a bit. I might add a little bit butter. I've tried it a few times without butter. I tried it with butter and it's super delicious. So either way is fine. Add a little more salt if you like. So after it cools, we'll be right back to try. So my curried corn has cooled a bit. I'm going to try it. Amazing. If you like, you could add a little more salt. I'm going to put a little pat of butter on. Let it melt a bit. Try a bite with the butter. delicious both ways. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.